Am I sure all my ops are running? I think so.
Well, then you better go catch it!
It's not even Christmas. Whatever. You ever have your compressor go down, your vacuum go down, any other equipment that you literally can't live without? I have not a good day. Guys, we have a lot of gear that we've spent a lot of money on. We've got scanners, we've got mills, we've got printers, we've got lasers, we've got like chairs. And if your practice is anything like mine, even though I have great people and I have great systems, and I know you do too, we're busy. So things get lost and you're not taking as good of a care of all that stuff as you need to. Am I sure all my ops are running? I think so. So you know what? Stop trying. It's too much for you and I to take care of when we should be concerned with our patients and our profitability. There's more than I can show you here, but check this out. This is Uptime Health. This is how we automate caring for our gear. It connects to our equipment and does what our cars do. It lets us know what we need to do and when before something goes sideways and we go down for a morning or more. Guys, don't wait for the check engine light to go off in your practice. It's a bad day and it's a day you and I can avoid. Check out Uptime Health. It's going to take all the equipment you already own and turn it into smart equipment so you and I can focus on what we want to, taking care of our patients.